Alrighty, let's have a look at what the trunc function does. Now, the trunc is short for truncate, and truncate means to make something shorter or smaller. So the trunc function cuts off the end of decimals in a number. Let me show you. So the first one is 784.5. If I go equals trunc and I just choose the number. Now obviously I don't need any other arguments. You can see that num digits is in square brackets, so it's optional, but I'm going to just do that. I'm not going to give any arguments there. So a standard trunc of 784.5 will just give me 784, and it cuts off the decimals completely. That's what truncate does. So let's try it again. If I go equals trunc, okay, and I just choose the number and I don't give it any other information, just truncate 98.456, it's going to become 98. There you go, that's what trunc does. So you can also specify how much you'd like to cut off of this number. So equals trunc, and we choose the number, the 45.51, and let's just chop off one digit at the end. So the last digit, I'm going to chop that off. Sounds like a chef show, right? Equals trunc number, and let's do 2. So we cut off the last 2 digits of that one, and there you go. So not the last 2, it shows the last 2. There it is there. As you can see, no digits, 1 digit, 2 digits in terms of decimals. Okay, and that, my dear friends, is the trunc function.